how you can use color filters on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So first things first, what you'll have to keep in mind that to use this feature, you'll have to be above iOS 16. So to check that, just open up your settings, go to general and tap on software update. Now right there, you'll be able to see your software and the version you are on. And if you're above 16, just go back to settings and scroll down till you find accessibility. Open accessibility and there you will see display and text size. Tap on display and text size and under there scroll down till you find color filters. Now tap on color filters and turn it on. Now after you turn it on, there you can see my colors are now black and white because I've selected grayscale right here. Now you can choose red/green filter, and if you do that you can see the color changes again, and if you do that again to green and red filter, it will change again. Now let's go to blue yellow filter or color tint. Now you can change the intensity right here and you can change the hue too. So after you do this, you'll be able to just choose the color filter that you want, and after you do so, you are good to go. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.